How to fix TikTok draft video problem. So if you have this issue, this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager here, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do, scroll until you find TikTok and then click on this force stop and then go here to the storage. Click on clear data and go back and then click on open by default here. Click on open supported links in this app and choose always allow. Go back and open the data usage now and then disable the background data. That's it. Now you have to turn off your phone, turn it on again and try. If the problem is solved, don't forget to like, subscribe.